Welcome to JGTechBlog, everyone. We're here at CES 2020 at the Samsung booth. We're going to talk a little bit about the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So I'm here with Amy, who's going to give us the run-through.
Hi, yes, so with the Galaxy Note 10 Lite, this is a really great, amazing device. Here you can see it, and we have it in Aura Black, we have it in the Aura Red, and we also have it in Aura Glow. So some really amazing colors. These are fantastic entry-level devices into our Galaxy Note 10 series. So with the Lite, there's going to be, minor different specifications in terms of what comes on them, but you can see with the camera that you have on this, you're going to have 3 different lenses. You have the wide, the ultra wide, and the telephoto, and those are each going to be at the 12 megapixels. The part that I really love is going to be the productivity and the use of the S Pen. Consumers love being able to be writing their own notes, have that ability to do it. And on this one as well, in terms of the processing power, you have the Exynos 9810, as well as a powerful battery at 4,500 milliamps. So a lot of power packed into this device.
Why do you think people should get the Note 10 Lite versus the regular Note?
So there's going to be a difference. Everybody wants something specific to their lifestyle and how they use their mobile device. And what we've understood at Samsung is that consumers have different budget constraints. So this one's going to be a great mid-tier device for them to be able to get their hands on and really experience the Galaxy level at just that mid-tier.
And do you know roughly how much it's going for?
So price is to be determined. We're going to be releasing some more of that information in terms of dates and region location.
Okay, and this device comes GSM unlocked?
Yes, it does.
All right, guys, if you enjoyed that, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the full review.